All right, enough with the countdown. 5 seconds. I'm ready. I'm here. I'm sitting here. It's fine. Here we are. Hey, everybody. What's up? Wearing a sweater, rocking the fall look. Oh my goodness, I'm so blue. It's so blue in here. It's so blue in here. That's because Nana... Oh no, that chair. That stupid chair. Hold on, Abdullah. Hold on a minute. I'll be right back. I have to go push in that stupid chair. Be right back. I just came to say hello. Hey, everybody. What's up? What is up with it? Yeah, new cat cam. New cat cam. Old Sloppy will teach you how to use it. No one pushes that stupid chair like I pushed that stupid chair. Stupid chair. Stupid Herman Miller chair. I know. I said we should just remove them because I'd rather them be gone. I'd rather the blue lights be gone than be blue. It just makes it look so depressing in here. And of course, it's not great for nighttime watching. Everybody's got their blue light filters on and I just look sepia. You sent her home, Nana Banana. You just sent her home. Of course. That's funny. Oh, is it a random? I didn't know it was random. That's cute. By the way, this was Ship That Code's idea. And we were like, okay, our idea now. Taking it. It was a suggestion. So we do take two suggestions of travel. Wait, there's a 15-minute cooldown? What? That's frustrating. So, hey, Atom Fighter. Hello, Toto Dev. Toto Dev, what is up? I apologize for not greeting you properly. Abdullah, hey, Ship. Nana Banana, of course. The one and only Nana Banana. Nana Banana, nana, 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 nana. It's a lot of minutes. I know. Well, what if it just keeps going back home, though, Old Sloppy? Maybe it's forever going to be like this. Yes, teleporting takes a lot of energy and is really taxing on Jasmine. So, rocking some Wendy's tonight. Coca-Cola, because that's really smart to drink at nighttime. Yeah. She does like to travel, though. She does like... Hey, Josh, what is up? Hey. Coca-Cola is the best. It is the only Coke. I like Dr. Pepper, I guess. Bubbles! I feel like my bubbles are looking extra grainy today. Or maybe extra, like, metallic. Could go either. It's because of all of the bubbles around them. My cat is all over me, so can't really type well. I've been there. I could redeem past 15-minute. You want me to force it to change? Yeah, I'll change it for Nana Banana. I will force. I don't even, let's see. Gotta check out my own commands. Let's see what we got. It's not on the list. It's not on the list. Oh, it's a redeem. I knew that. Cat teleport. Alfie Doodle, what's up? Thank you for the bubbles. Oh, I'm not drinking Black Dragon. I'm drinking Coca-Cola. But I will drink Black Dragon tonight. If I take a break, I'm going to make some more Black Dragon tea. Because I've been feeling it. It's very good. So this is just advocating for Black Dragon tea tonight. Perhaps. What'd you ask? Will I be rich in the future? My 8-ball doesn't know. It's the wrong 8-ball. You can ask this one like like minor questions like, what is black dragon tea? Black dragon tea, Atom Fighter, is a ripe pu'er tea, carob cocoa nips, elderberry rose hips, honey brush peppercorns. Taste is very smooth with a slight berry flavor. Mmm, so good. That's what black dragon tea is, Atom Fighter. That's what it is. I did it. I didn't do it. Let's see. Who's got a... Is tomorrow Friday? Yesterday it would have been yes, but today it's a yep. That's hilarious. I'm gonna do it. I can't redeem it. It's on cooldown for me too. How funny is that? That's pretty funny. I can't teleport the cat. I can't exhaust the kitten. Yeah, no. But you know what? It's a PETA thing. You're not allowed to teleport any animal without out inside of a 15-minute time frame. So I totally get it. I understand. I think it's really a rule for the safety of the cat. So she's so cozy though. She's so happy. My hair's a mess. It's all right. I don't really care today, but what's this? Oh, my lights went back. That's nice. I didn't realize that would happen. Okay, so today, I don't know what my checklist is doing. I think I'll probably still, thank you. I think I'm going to work on my big app, though. It's an OSHA thing. It's an OSHA thing. OSHA and PETA, or just OSHA? I feel like OSHA is more like, well, she has to wear gloves when she teleports. PETA ain't the boss of me. PETA, I feel like, yeah, all right. You're going to be like that. PETA can tell me what to do. I'm okay with it. Yeah. My hair is a mess. That's all right. So today, I'm going to nap. Oh, this is way up high. And a stupid chair. There we go. All right, now you can watch me nap. Oh, everything looks crooked. Now I'm like sick. It's like I'm actually in a boat. There we go. There we go. Have you guys seen the YouTube series Board Shorts? It was like famous when I was in like, I'm not gonna say. I'm not gonna say. Pita tastes delicious with hummus. It tastes delicious with hummus, Atom Fighter. Yeah, I agree. Okay. So today I gotta turn my navigation off. Like, why is my navigation still on? I'm not going anywhere. So today I want to work on my app. I want to think about it a little bit more deeply. When you were in what? In prison? When I was in prison. Yes, when I was in prison, Board Shorts was the popular show behind prison walls in the meeting room. Yes, that's what I meant. Do I have the 10-year tattoo? No. They didn't grant it to me. I got out 9 years, 363 days. And they were like, nah. You're like, yeah, no, you seem like you're not good enough to get the 10-year tattoo. Oh, when they sentence you 10 to life? Yeah, no, I guess I dodged it. What would I have done? Stolen the bubbles? What would I have done to what would be Chrissy Code's reason for being in jail? Probably evading DMCA grand theft attention. Is that like stealing people's attention? That's a very flattering thing to say, Old Sloppy. Like, I stole your attention. Is that what you're saying? Like, is that an insult you definitely meant to make, or a compliment you definitely meant to make? Absolutely. Okay. So also what I wanted, assaulting Jinja. Fair. That's fair, Abdullah. That is probably what actually happened. I learned on YouTube there is a series where they interview ex-cons. Yeah, that makes sense. I bet there are lots of them. Have you seen me on it? Or some of them disobeying PETA? I don't want to be in jail for disobeying. That's like one of the things I don't want. Like abuse to animals is not respected by me. If I was gonna be in jail, it'd be like for, stealing apples for my grandmother because she was hungry or curious. If she was just like, go steal those apples, I'd be like, all right, grandma, but that's 10 to life. She'd be like, do it anyway. Okay, whatever you want, grandma, whatever for you. And also grab $10,000. All right, fine, grandma, I get it. That sounds right. That sounds, but my grandma she was great. She was a tap dancer and fancy lady, so she wouldn't ask me to do that. Anyway. That sounds rest in peace. Rip. What is that? I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. As in rip apples. Oh, I see. Yeah. Good apples. And then I went to jail. That's how it goes. This is my 10 years. I'm going to take this off. This is my Fitbit. So I've been trying to be more fit. And when I have a Fitbit on, it does help a little bit because I obsess over numbers. And one of the numbers I obsess over is my resting heart rate because I want it to be like low. I want to have like a 51, which probably isn't even healthy. I got to look at a 60 or something. And so like I notice that obviously when I exercise more, my resting heart rate goes down. I don't care what it says. And I also like it for sleep. I wear it for sleep. But I'm going to take it off. I don't know. 60, I guess, is pretty good, is what I've been told or read on the internet once. Or like Googled, and that's the first search that came up. Yeah, 60 is normal. 60 is normal. I thought 70 was normal. I don't think it matters. I'm not very normal. So anyway, it's off because I'm just sitting here. My Fitbit doesn't need to know what's going on right now. It's like nosy. So, all right. So then I want a 51 then. I feel like 51 is fair. My heart beats super slow. Mm-hmm. Rip apples, ripe apples. I gotcha. It's not abnormal. 60 is healthy, but I learned that in high school. I mean, I think I learned it a long time ago. I don't know, whatever. Sometimes I'm at 70 though, or I think 68 is what I had last time I wore my Fitbit and consistently, and I was like, oh, I'm unhealthy again. And so, Pai Lang, what's up? How are you? We're just hanging out. Has it been 15 minutes yet? It has been. Nana Banana. Wait, no, somebody else do it. Maybe I'll do it. No, 3 minutes, 3 seconds. Bubbles! I don't look 70? I'm 70? It's the lighting. It's the wrinkles. I don't know. Whatever. What is 60 BPM of heart? Regular. Normal. Of heart. I look like a feisty 27. Thank you. Do I sound like a feisty 27? I feel like I'm a little more jaded than that, but whatever. We all have our things. Well, thanks, guys. It's the makeup. Or it's not. Or I am a feisty 27. You'll never know. Or you'll know. It doesn't. I don't like. I actually, off stream, I have no problem showing my age. So if you ever like, oh my God, that's Chrissy, run up to her, ask her how old she is. It's probably how you'll find out. Like that's what, hey, by the way, I saw you on the internet. How old are you? That's the end. I'm alive. More cool than 60 or 70. I am alive. I bet that's the first thing people would ask me in public. How old are you? Yeah, whatever. Or like, do you ever finish that app? And I'd be like, no, Sonny. It's been 84 years. I don't know if my Apple Watch tells me my resting heart rate. First question. No. Hi. Hi. Hello. Let's plan to meet at Denny's. Then I'll ask your age. Oh, I would meet at Denny's. Is that a test though? Denny's is for all ages. Okay. I'd ask if your name is really Chrissy Codes. Chrissy Codez. It's French. It's Chrissy Code. Chrissy Code. And that's actually a T, but I changed it to an S for Twitch. Code. That's not true, Nana Banana. It's not true. It might be true, but it's not. It's not. Yeah, okay. Enough about me. Okay, so what we are going to do. What's lies? What's lies? I'm out of focus. Stop it. No, stop. It can't. I'm still blurry. I'm moving around too much. It might be true, but it's not. But it is. It might be. But it could be. But it's not. Django, what's your question, Pylane? I found a... Oh, okay. Yeah, no, that's you. Yeah. How about let's not? How about let's stop right there? If you love me, you will pause. But yeah, no, that makes sense. I'm not unfindable. Okay. So today I would like to... Yeah, that's it. I'll go delete all that. I told you. I told you already that would happen. It's all right. So the... No. Oh, guys. Yes, the 17 podcasts you'll always ever need. You didn't... Big time. I'm not that big. No. Yeah, well, that's how it goes, old sloppy. Johnny B. Cat. Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? All right. So today, what happened? Hey, what's up? But my lights are broken. Something broke. They're no longer default correctly. No, the back ones are. Well, that's pretty funky. Hey, what is up, Johnny B. Cat? Our stream is broken today. Skynet. And I am searching for food. So I wanted to start my stream today with foods I have never eaten. Ooh, tried. I like that. Because I want to learn, dal makhani. Dal makhani. Here we go. Healthy gingerbread loaf? What is this? Whose article is this? This is ridiculous. So I decided that today I want to start the stream by staring at food. Oh no, Nana Banana, what happened? Oh no, the cat teleport didn't work. Oh no. Oh no, Johnny B. Cat. You broke another program. I don't think it was you. What is the search? Foods I've never tried? I thought Google would know. And apparently this person wrote this article just about me. April Ben-Chosen knows the 20 recipes that I've never tried before. Thank you, April, for researching me. And so, yeah, so we're starting with food today. This definitely does not look appealing, like anything I would ever eat. Why would you not carve the pineapple first? Johnny B. Cat, what's TFS? I don't know what TFS means. Thanks, Pylane. I need to pack the little one's lunch. Oh, okay. All right, cool. What are you gonna make? Are you gonna put this pineapple thing in it? I don't think you should. I think that would be very difficult for a child to eat. Even like a teenager. Can you imagine? Like, Mom, seriously? Pineapple rice again? What? Rice on pineapple? Oh, Term Service Foundation. Okay, cool. Coconut curry, chickpeas with wilted greens. Like, I've never tried this exactly, but like, I would. And I've tried coconut curry and chickpeas and wilted greens. So I think I've actually had a collection of this somehow. Healthy gingerbread loaf. Like, I feel like 20 recipes you've never tried. They just were like, okay, let's put something really funky in the recipe. So no. Sure. Can I just reload all overlays? Will that help? Refresh browser source under desktop audio. Well, I don't know. Is it an OBS? Durian? No, tell me all about it. I'm really excited about finding more foods. Found this on Google. The letter combination of DJ is the French way of spelling the English J sound. Yeah, J, right? J. But then what is just the J? Hold on. Yeah, I don't know. There's no refresh. Hold on. Can you refresh the browser source under desktop? I'm getting chicken tenders. I've never had durian, referring to Django. So it's French? Oh yeah, Django is French, I think, right? Dal Makhani looks good, but I think I've had this. Yeah, no, it doesn't matter. Whatever, Atom Fighter. I don't know what I'm looking at. Techie girl! What is up, girl? Under scenes. Desktop audio. Whoops. Whatever. Apparently I'm not. Find cruise control. And what? Web source and refresh button directly above the sources section. There's no refresh button. Oh yeah, I see it. All right, let me know if that worked. And then I'll go back to chat. Chat. Toxicity, thanks for the follow. And the Bubbles! Who did Bubbles? Bubbles in the chat! Hey, Bubbles in the chat for Techie Girl, everybody. Did you get a... Oh, yeah. You got a shout out. Ah, curses! My lights be broken. My lights are broken. Celebrate! This reminds me of another stream earlier today. Yeah, except there we go. No. He's like holding her, he's got her in her on his stomach, like extra slouchy Abraham Lincoln, just right there. Nice job. The cat is on the Lincoln Memorial, Techie Girl. She just got teleported. And she's like sitting on the chest of Abraham Lincoln, apparently. Not on the lap. Whatever, it's cool. Cats sleep wherever they want. Okay, so we've got, I'm going back to the desktop. Yeah, of course. How silly of me. She's on Abraham Lincoln. Abraham DeLacy. Giuseppe Casey. Anybody? Anybody know where it's from? It's a tough one. Thomas O'Malley. Raw vegetable pie. See, they're just making bad recipes and saying that I've never tried them. Toxicity, I saw you're working on Django. I just started full stack developer search today, but I'm staying because of the cat in the background. Yeah, Toxicity, I'll work on Django soon. I'm just trying to like go through, I know, it's just a salad. I'm just trying to go through new foods. I like to do something to like warm up for stream. And today it's looking at food because I had, let's see, what did I eat today? Like I didn't eat anything. It was, I guess I had like a turkey and kale soup. So I'm like, dying to look at the Dirty Chai nightcap. Like, what is this? Of course I haven't tried them. Steel cut oat risotto with butternut squash and kale. It's like, hey, let's Google 5 things, pick 3 of them and throw them in a recipe and say 20 recipes you've never tried before. No, you're fine. I'm a Star Wars nerd. Love the Falcon and the AT-AT in the background. Yeah, the Millennium Falcon is fantastic and the AT-AT's butt is like in our face all the time. It's fantastic. You can warm up the sun salutations after you. Yeah, I know, right? That's absolutely, I feel like, okay, reach up. There we go. Oh, the beach, the Maldives. Not really. Are you talking about George Smith's Miss O'Malley? No, You trying to look for it? It's, I've got that wanderlust. Gotta walk the scenes. Gotta kick up highway dust. Feel the grass that's green. I don't worry what road to take. I don't need to think of that. Anybody? Telling my friends of the social elite, or one cute cat I happen to meet yeah. Abraham DeLacy, Giuseppe Casey, ew! Triple chocolate pistachio protein cookies? Ew. How does that work with cat? Is it chroma key? So the cat, yeah. No, the cat's actually transporting. Somebody woke her up. It wasn't me. What is this? This list is not great. We have to get rid of our caps. Ship that code. This site is eat this, apparently, not that. And this April Ben Chosen, I just looked up foods I've never tried because I'm interested in learning about foods I've never tried. I can call it cookie if it's 90%. Can you call it a cookie if it's 90% nuts? No, probably not. Also, like, yeah, no. Very nice ads. Where are the ads? Oh, okay. I'm glad you like the ads, Nana Banana. They help support the stream. Hold on, glad you like them. I've got that wanderlust. What is this? Cinnamon candied almonds? Okay, all right. Hold on a second. Now you can put nuts in a jar and call them a recipe and tell people that they've never eaten it before. Like, it's because it's in a jar though. Like, you normally get them in a bag, but this one is in a jar. Oh, I'm so sorry, Abdullah. I don't know. That's Twitch's thing. I'm talking about nuts. It is a really nice jar. I bet it changes the flavor immensely. And because of the jar, it makes it differently. Yeah, I know, on Twitch. I don't know. They're giving us more money, so it's nice, but it's also like, okay, but like, why do you have to actually air the ads? Like, can't you just give us some money? Looks like it makes a really nice pop sound when you open it. Yeah, and then you can't close it again because look at all the nuts at the top. That's the real part of the recipe, is that they're aired out cinnamon candied almonds. Homemade vegan eggnog? What is this made of? Medjool dates and cashew milk. That's fine. I get that. Medjool dates. That's a red flag if I've ever seen one. Medjool dates. What does even a medjool date look like? I got an extra camera up here for some reason. Okay, let's look at this. Medjool dates. We will do Django, I promise. I promise. Oh, it just looks like a fig. Wait, now I gotta correct my brain on what figs look like. Oh yeah, no, that's not the same. Medjool dates. Yeah, this one doesn't even count. It's like you've never had eggnog. Of course I've never had vegan eggnog. Because people who it's just should be called cashew milk drink. Now we know its characters. Wait, hold on. Oh, yeah. 16. So we got to change. I can change that pretty quickly. It looks more closely to an olive, but is sweet and kind of candied. Yeah, that makes sense. Creamy Mexican I've had creamy Mexican corn chowder. This is a stupid list. Okay, let's go all the way. Maple cinnamon Bircher muesli. Ugh. Muesli's good. But is it that I've never had it with maple? And what is Bircher? Bircher. Bergerb. Where is Bergerb? Bircher. Medjool dates are often used to sweeten nut milks. I love the term nut milk. Cranberry crisp, like whatever. This is dumb. Oh no, now I got so mad. It's stuck. All right. What is this? Purple cauliflower and sweet potato soup with popped sorghum. This is the word of the day, everybody. Let's just take the spaces out, and this is the word of the day. Hold on, need to take the spaces out. Word of the day. Purple cauliflower and sweet potato soup with popped sorghum. Popped sorghum, everybody. Popped sorghum, just so you know. Sorghum. It sounds like a boss in a Zelda game. Oh, yeah, I can get that. I've never had herb and butter roasted beef tenderloin with horseradish and caramelized onion. I mean, I have, though. I have. I actually thought this said the ultimate winter bliss balls, and I kind of want to keep it that way. I know, right? Some of them are totally normal. The bliss balls. I win Wordle with that word easy. Popped sorghum from Wisconsin. Oh, pap sorghum from Wisconsin. Pap sorghum. Wisconsin. Oh, the steaks. Yeah, I'm like, this is totally normal food now. So she goes from like, let's make up new recipes to like, hey, let's have some normal food. Like, what? I don't know. Those balls don't look blissful. They look falafel. Oh no. We need like some sort of weight in there. I don't know. Whatever. Baba ganoush. That doesn't seem weird. Fruit salsa with cinnamon chips. You know what they thought? They didn't think we'd make it this far down in the list. And they're like, just put some regular recipes in there. Yeah, I know, Teggy, right? Just put some stuff that like belongs on, your plate. Thai tempeh, collard green wraps. I've never had this. I don't know how I would feel with tempeh. I'm not sure. I would try baba ganoush. Yeah, these are filler. It's like, okay, let's bring them in. All right, they'll get to recipe triple chocolate pistachio protein cookies. Pistachio protein cookies. And then they'll stop reading. Because why would I scroll past triple chocolate pistachio protein cookies? That's cool. All right. I get it. We'll do Django. We'll do Python. Oh, okay. I was helping ship that code with Cruise Control today, so that was up. I have not yet opened a folder. Well, that's false. I guess you haven't been here for the last several months, VS Code. Techie Girl streams are the best. Techie Girl rocks. The socks of all. Everybody's socks are rocked. I just came to say control. I was reading. That was by accident. Oh, nah. Unless Wolf is in here, then that's fine. All right, there we go. I'm gonna go back to this today because I think I understand a little bit about the on deletes now. Sucks. I wish there was like a sock brand that like rhymed with Bruno, you know? Yeah, like with Feet Finder and stuff. I'm with you, Piling. It's whatever. Everybody has their thing. Feet don't bother me. They do though. But right now I'm just like, I'm pretty chill. So are the on deletes from Andalusia, Spain? Sure, yeah, whatever. The on deletes, the off deletes. Okay. So what was I thinking? I was thinking in the car about how I want to, so I really want these to be Sentinel. And then I want to do, but, so here is what I was thinking about. And Piling, maybe you can help me even though I know you're not a Django person. But what happened to the sorghum? The word of the day? Sorghum. So true about hobbits. Second breakfast. Set. Georgie99, thank you for the follow. Welcome on in. Welcome on into the stream. Come on in. What is up? My lights are broken. Can you guys give me a second? I'm gonna fix them. I'm gonna fix my lights. Give me a second. Thank you, Georgie, for coming on in. How are you today? How are you doing? How's it going? I gotta set this to null. On delete set null. Do I need capital E? I'm gonna etnol mode. That's weird. Dang you, Skynet. Yeah, or who is it? It's Hal. Maybe Hal's doing it. Set. Oh. I know this is, I don't know. I gotta open Django. My brain is like, did I tell you guys my brain is melting? It happens to all of us eventually. No, don't leave. Bye, Josh. Are you leaving or are you just redeeming bye? I can never tell. Oh, okay. All right. We'll see you soon. We will see you soon. This Feldmaster. Who's this guy? I don't want to. Vitor Fritas. Vitor Fritas. Sounds like better fries. I ate so much that my brain went dead. Yeah, I hear ya. That's like sleep for me. I sleep so little that my brain went dead. What am I looking up? Django documentation. I just came to say Django. Whoa, oh. La 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 la. Django. Oh, oh. As I tell people, I have 2 used Solon brain cells. Nice. I don't think I even have 2 right now. Alrighty. Overview. Documentation. First steps. Overview. Part 2. Part 3. Part 4. What am I looking at? I cannot even remember. It's on delete. Models and the admin site. Hello. What? Come on. Unbelievable stars. Unbelievable. That's it? That's the only place they talk about on delete? On delete, on delete. Nope, I probably can't do that. Sorry, guys. I take it back. On delete. Is there a Django plugin you can add to VS Code to help with autocomplete? Probably. No. Bum, 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 dun, dun, na, 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 na. Bum, bum, dun, 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 dun. It's just set null. Stop it. Nobody likes me. Everybody hates me. I guess I'll go eat worms. Long, slim, slimy ones. Short, fat, juicy ones. Itsy bitsy fuzzy wuzzy worms. Down goes the first one. Down goes the second one. Oh, how they wiggle and squirm. Long, slim, slimy ones. Short, fat, juicy ones. It's not even letting me. The thing is, I don't think this is right. Set null is not defined. Do I have to pull it in? The worm one. Do you have the? Oh no, you're right. That's right. Models.set null. Thank you, Techie. That is my whole problem. Techie's schooling me on Django, which she gave up. All right, so we're gonna set these to null. And what I'd like to do is when I build my generic class, or maybe I just say on delete set. I'm joking. I don't know anything. Me too, Techie. I'm an expert. I don't know. People still come to me. Whatever. So, but someone in here is learning full stack Django, which is cool. They just came in and I read it and then I forgot. Was it Johnny B. Cat? No. Poxicity. That's who it is. Poxicity. And so, yo, super hot. Do you play super hot, super hot? Yo, 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 what's up? Super hot. Has anybody played super hot? I can't even get that low. It's like this low. Super hot. Serious? Serious? What's up? How are you? Thank you for the follow. Welcome on in. Oh, I forgot I was gonna fix that in a second. Okay, so what I'd like to do is I'd like to build this into the generic model. I'm not sure if I can do this. So here's what I've been thinking. What I would like is to build like the first item of a class. So in Laravel, which I shouldn't be thinking about, and I understand that. Hey, serious? What's up? I'm in C# Java mode for now with SQL strip scripting. Very cool, Johnny B. Cat. Johnny B. Cat. I will sing your name without a prompt, just because. Techie girl. Serious. I don't know what's going on with me today. Coca-Cola from Wendy's, I guess. Yeah, girl. Sing it. Generic model. I hope like Finite's 9 minutes of listening to me is like enjoyable. Yeah, I always sing. So what I want to do is I want to do a thanks old sloppy. Is I'd like to set a static class that when a model is created, it inserts like a deleted at, but I guess it has to be, I guess it can't be, no, like a deleted field, maybe, or something. No, I don't know. Serious, I'm working on this app that I want to build when I grow up. Just redeem my bubbles every time my lights break. So I wanted them to not be blue. All right, but I will. I'll do that. Bubbles! I love redeeming bubbles. They make me so happy. So serious, I'm sorry I didn't answer you. So I'm making an app that I'd like to make an app. So I'm learning Django. Let's be real. But in the meantime, as I'm learning Django, I'm using my own app idea. And the app idea is a recommendation engine that is specific to you. So like if you ask your friends, hey, do you like my sweater? Do you like my sweater? then, or do you like, of these 5 sweaters, which one should I buy? Or, hey, I want a sweater. Can you recommend me a sweater? Those kind of things. And then they will punch it in and be like, yo, yeah, this sweater would look great on you. And you take their suggestion. You're like, it's very itchy. You rank it really low. You say, this sweater sucks. I hated it. Then next time you ask for a recommendation from them, you're not going to hear from them because you said my sweater sucked, or you said that the sweater recommendation they gave you sucked. So, and the same goes for people who you rank highly, who you're like, hey, that was a great sweater. I loved it. I'm going to give it an ace. It's amazing. I love it. And then next time you ask for recommendations, power to the people. We're here to do maintenance. So I have a question, Wolf, if you mind answering, it's fine. You rank the rankers. You rank the your recommenders. This is like real life. You mean this is good evening. Good evening, sir. Welcome to the stream. I'm a little bit all over the place today, so I'm sure you would have like gotten a good evening and a sing along with it at some point. What's up? What's up? Wolf the little stepper, steppity step, step, step. Is that a Tinder algorithm? It's actually not, Georgie. So it's funny that you say that because I did actually originally think this like a Tinder app. I did envision it like a Tinder app, but I decided that it doesn't allow you to circle back, right? On Tinder, you can't be like, hey, this date person sucked. Please, like, and then you never see people like that again or whatever. I don't know. I don't even know. But so basically this is like it comes around. Yeah, it's a fantastic idea, Sirius. I'm passionate about it and I love it. Wilfred Step on him. Wilfred Step. Swinder, dating app for software engineers. Swinder. I don't know. No, it's already out there. You can't take it back. It's already out there. So Wolf, I had a question. It sounded good out of your head too. We are allowed to be ourselves here for the most part. Don't be an a-hole. With, obviously sometimes I don't take my own advice there, but so sounded good in my head. Then I thought it out loud. That's funny. Bender, what is up? Hey. I can't be an a-hole. You're never an a-hole. You are never an a-hole, Bender. When asked VS Code or IntelliJ, the direction you swipe will determine your matches. Actually, no, that's actually a really good point. But see, I like IntelliJ, but I use VS Code. I would probably swipe IntelliJ, to be honest. But IntelliJ is like a classist a little bit because you have to pay for it. So I don't know. You're not being very like diverse with your selection. Like, I don't care about money in that way. Like, I'm not gonna swipe because you can afford IntelliJ. It's stressful, man. Some of us coders like don't have any money. Yeah, that's Taki, are you trying to get me to sing? No, can't do it. Scrubs. Nope, it's so low. Scrub is a guy that thinks he's fine. Is also known as a buster. Anyway, I had a question for Wolf and I haven't been able to ask it. Yeah, if you got IntelliJ, that's 24 McChicken sandwiches. No, I don't want your number. It's too low, man. It's too low. I can do Don't Go Chasing Waterfalls, but Scrubs is so low. Don't go. No, I can't do that either. Chasing waterfalls. Don't go chasing waterfalls. True, if you don't subscribe to the JetBrains All Products Pack, swipe left. Alrighty. I'm sorry, Wolf. I'm sorry. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. There we go. I'll get there. I'm not really, don't have the R&B in me. I can do some songs. This is not that one. It's too good for me. What's the one, you can pick your nose if he, is that what it is? If he says so, you can write all the makeup. I can't remember. So, Wolf, can I ask you a question? I'm gonna I'm gonna just cover up chat for now, right now. Here we go. You can pierce your nose. Pick your nose. I knew that. I swear. Unpretty. Yeah, I know it's a good song. I thought it was like plastic surgery. I'm not even joking. True story. Today I learned. Oh. Okay, so I have a question. Can I create a static function that every time I create a generic model, I add a field called deleted? And it is when I do a set null or whatever, or set, maybe I just set on delete set deleted or something. Would that work? Yeah, would that work? Oh, okay. So what I'm trying to do is what I'm trying to do is when I delete something, I just want it to say deleted. That's all I want. I just want to say, like the foreign key, I just want it to say that category was deleted. That's it. That's it for now. And I'm just wondering if I could put that in my, I guess I can't put it in my generic model because it's specific to this foreign key. So no, that's the end. That's my answer. You're confused? I just want to know, like, if the category that this is attached to gets deleted, then can I... You don't know what a static function is? What? No, stop trolling me. Stop. That's not nice. So like Cascade, yeah, Cascade. Is it common to make that many Py files for Django? Yes, it is. Absolutely, it is. Absolutely. It's just a function. All right, fine. I just mean like a one-time function. A public static function in PHP is a function that happens one time. It's a static function. It goes, ticks off, and then you never use it again. But it's used multiple times throughout the database. So like if you, is that wrong? I'm sorry, is that a different thing? So like if you're doing a migration, right? But you have to like change a name. So let's say we're updating the name of our, recommendations in the app, and we don't want to call them something because like maybe there's something offensive. So we take all the offensive names and then we make them like a different name. But I don't want it to cascade. I want it to keep the item and say deleted. Oh, okay. Well, that's fine. Go ahead. Whatever. Okay, Pylang. I'm sorry. A function. Okay, I apologize, dude. I'm sorry. Yeah. Soft delete. I want a soft delete for now. This is not going to have any like user data that's going to get audited or anything. So I just want a soft delete. And I think if I just say, for now, set deleted, then that's the best way to go. Come on. My keyboard is off center. Oh, just make a deletion equals models. Date time field? Yeah, but how do I... But then what do I don't want to protect the models. I want to still be able to delete that if you want to keep the foreign key. But I don't want to keep the foreign key. Oh, sorry. Ship, I'm sorry. We'll get it so that it actually changed. Oh, no, it did change. Yeah, thank you. It's a little bit, we got to fix it a little bit, but. So are categories nullable on the item? Because you could set it null. Fine. I think that's fine. As long as I do that. So if I have to go to the model and check. So categories, it's not here. Geez, I do have a lot of models. Let's close these up. Let's pull the real ones. All right, so categories on delete. Oh, this is my model. So I'd have to do null equals true and blank equals true. That seems like not smart to. But I guess as long as I'm saying, that seems really weird, doesn't it? Does this have to happen, or is this only for a form? Maybe I just need null equals true in here. I was hot earlier, now I'm cold. You're hot, then you're cold. No. No Katy Perry either. Not today. I think I'm just off key. Use both. All right. You change your mind like a girl changes clothes. Yeah, you. Terrible anti-fem song. I would know. That you're no good for me. How do I questions are the bane of our existence as programmers? Not so bad. What's not so bad? Love Code Windows. Thank you for the follow. Hey, our communication, what's up? Can an item have that many categories? Yeah, it can. Bubbles in the chat for the follow. Uh-huh. If so, I'd use an item underscore categories table with the fields, item ID, and the category ID, and allow many category ID. So I've done that before, and I was told not to. So you're saying have like a cross table, basically. Not a cross table, but like a crosswalk table that says like these are the items that belong to these categories. Oh, thank you for programmer. Keep singing. You were told not to. How else would you support multiple categories for an item? I don't know. Wasn't me. All right. Well, then let's do it. I'm building for programmer. Thank you for the follow. Sha-la-la-la, don't be shy. That song is scary. Why? Again. This is gonna be all day. Okay. Why is it scary? Because that's when she gets her voice taken. Yeah, but that's when she gets it back too. All right, so the things that I'm gonna want are item IDs, items equals models, foreign key, item, and null to yoink. Ursula be yoinking voices. Yoinking voices. I didn't know how to do a one-to-many in Django models yet. But I thought you were a professional techie girl. I'm a professional. Professional. On delete, on delete. Now we can this can cascade, because if you delete the category, then you delete the relationship. So that makes sense. Manages it for you. That's good to know. Oh my god, that's wonderful. The first time I've ever been pleasantly surprised by Django and been like, oh, okay, I don't have to do anything else. It's usually like, oh, Django can do that, but I have to write 10 million things. Cool, cool, cool. Gotta love it, because it is, ready for this? Opinionated. Today, I understood what opinionated meant. And I learned that Flask API is unopinionated, while Django is opinionated, as well as, let's see what else. React is unopinionated, and Svelte is opinionated. Thank you. Thank you. I will take a bow. Thank you. Not us, said the ducks as they waddled away. You guys, I think I can do this thing. I think I can do this thing. McChickens need to stay $1. Oh! Today on Linux tips. I wish I was that good. I love our communication has their own version of emo only chat. It's like my favorite thing. Not my favorite, but it's like one of my favorite things. Just like our communication, like, I'm just gonna do emote only chat by myself and it's cool and everybody will love me. And I'm just like, I love this. This is so fun. You're so great. Okay. Anyway. All right, so we've got this. So then I don't need, oh, that's cool. What is this? You teleported the cat to the Shire? That's not the Shire. Oh my god, that's so trippy! Ah! That was really trippy. It's the Void. That's not the Shire, that's the Void. The darkness. The Django. Cat teleported back home. She's going back to Lincoln. She's like, oh, it's cold out here. All right, so then do I need to, can I delete these foreign keys then? In that case, not for request, but for, I don't even have them. I have one right here, the item. I guess that's fine. I'll get rid of that. Maybe I'll keep it. No, I'll just delete it. No, I'll keep it. Because you know why? Because I haven't pushed it. All right, I'll delete it. All right, you peer pressured me into it. Look at this, cat's coming back into the void. There's a shadow in the void. Green haze. Hot Pockets. Probably Hot Pockets. No, I don't really like Hot Pockets. Probably pizza rolls, but like, I don't know. Do you have the time to listen to me whine? That's pretty much what I say to everybody in chat all the time. All right, so this is good. All right, so let's set null, and this one needs to be. So let me think about this quick. I just want to think about the business logic. It's not that important. If I request the category gets deleted, I want to keep the request. So I'm just going to set these null. And I'm going to make sure that they stay null, but they're still in the system. And then I need 2 of these, a null and a blank. Baby, 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 oh, thought you'd always be mine. You know, my favorite Justin Bieber song is, it's the, I don't know, it's pretty recent. And it's like, the one where they're dancing and it's like, I don't know. Well, if you listen to Python podcast, any Python podcasts, what is a Python podcast? That were people. What? Come on. It's fine. It's just one. It's one Justin Bieber song. One song. I don't like them all. I just like one. So, whatever. Everybody has their thing. The worst one? I don't like that one. The one I like is it's the one it's like out. I don't know. Oh, sorry. Is it too late now to say sorry? 'Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Oh, is it too late now to say sorry? Whatever. I do like that song. Kitty. When I see all models in a file, I remember classic ASP. All models in one file? Not all my models are in a file. All my models are in different files. See, this is in one, and this is in another, and this is in a third, and it goes over, 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 and again. Sorry, guys. I'm sorry about the Biebs. I'm sorry. I like it. It's a good song. 'Cause I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say sorry now? I'm gonna get DMCA'd. I bet he's really serious about it too. Hey, kitty, kitty. Kitty's on lap. Kitty teleported to my lap. She was like, Lincoln's uncomfortable. Happy kitty. Soft kitty, warm kitty, little ball of fur. Also, I should get nicked for that one too. If anybody's like not a... Alrighty, so what are we doing today? We're gonna check all of our models. This is 1-to-1 field. Oh, that's fine. Let's check this one. And we've got, this is undelete cascade, undelete cascade, undelete set null. This is what my default's gonna be, set null. But then I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna say null equals true, blank equals true. I stubbed my toe on a dresser, so I'm not doing anything. Ooh, yikes, you're allowed to sit out for a really long time. I feel that in my bones right now. Don't walk in the dark. Kids. Don't work in the dark, kids. You'll stub your toe and then you won't be able to talk for the rest of the night. That's what happens. Get Allstate. At Farmers. We're ready when you stub your toe. We are farmers. Bum ba dum ba dum bum bum. Oh, we have fun. This one's fine to cascade. Those are fine. This one is set null. This one is set null. Unma. Requests, which I don't call request. Authenticate, recommendation, invocation. Okay. All right, now let's class. Let's everybody please turn to page 75. Is that from the Farmers Only marketing? It's Farmers. The Farmers Insurance. Did a penguin bite your big toe? Get Farmers. Bum 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 bum. We are farmers. So good. Oh man. That's me all day Tuesdays and Thursdays. There's some dating site called Farmers Only. Yeah, I believe that. Sounds like Green Giant. Yeah. Okay. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. What's the next thing? It's not this mini Django stuff. Let's turn the checklist off. It doesn't mean anything. The checklist is meaningless. You don't have to be lonely on farmersonly.com. I love that. I farm on RuneScape, so that like I don't do dating sites. All right, cool. I do voices. Okay. Guys, I don't know. I feel like I should just play video games. I'm gonna, I don't know. How do I breathe without you? I want to know if you ever go. No, I don't have a sign-in for this. Well, crap. I use Markdown, I guess. Does anybody use Markdown to create requirements docs? I suppose. I guess that would be fine, right? But I don't really want to do that right now. I'm not giving up on Django. I just need a direction. And the next direction, because I've been thinking about this, like I'm working on a project at work, and the project at work where it just seems, at first really simple. Like there's a feature and we want to build that feature, and you're giving up on Django? So, and it just takes too much. Okay, there's some good Markdown plugins for VS Code. So I just want to plan better. Like what's going on here? Like I know. Oh, okay. No, for requirements documents, not just right on the reg. Like I get that, but like I got Markdown to do. It's fine. Whatever. I mean, I do too. I do that for that as well. Yeah. I need to do it more and more and more so that I get used to it. So actually it wouldn't hurt me to do a to-do Markdown. But okay, here's my feature list. This I have make the request. Okay. So let's go to making the request. We got Notion. Oh, cool. Making a request, create a profile, recommendation submission. So a recommendation, when someone asks for a request, which we don't have, it's the recommendation invocation. We do have it. It should create a user notification. It should say sender is asking for a recommendation for item. The item given here should be from the request parameter and should happen on the save signal. So basically, when you save a request which is a recommendation invocation, boom. When you save a request, and we have a form for this request, I think, form. So we've got a request form, we fill it all out. And then once it saves, which we have happening in our views, we want to do what I did for my side project. I built a roadmap of all the features I wanted to implement. Yeah, I mean, I guess I should. I plan coding streams in Notion. Is Notion costly, Techie? I'm pretty chill right now. I just like, my energies went, blah, blah. Is Notion... Try Notion free? Is it a good idea to try it free? Too high. Didn't warm up enough. Used to not be free, but now it's free. Team lead. All right. We're learning Notion today. So is this worth it? Is this a good sidetrack? Because really, you have to have a personal plan, not a works. Oh no, did I? Crapola. What did I mess up? Crap. Did I mess this up? Ah, crap. It's probably fine. It said team plan trial. Ugh. Add another account. Darn it. Now I have to delete my account. No, I just did it over here on the left. That's what happened. I have to delete it now. I have to be like, oh, I messed it up. Messed it up, friends. Can I change my workspace? Already I'm breaking things. Why am I so speedy? Thanks. To see your workspace manage settings members at the top of the left sidebar, click the setting tab. Probably not what they were saying. All right, let me hide my settings. All right. I'm stupid. Okay, so team spaces. I'm not rejuvenated. I'm all right. You think it might be fine? I mean, it does say... All right, Techie, I'll go over it. Oh, it says delete entire workspace. Hold on. Maybe I can do this. So quiet. Who's excited about Halloween? By the way. Chrissy Codes. Oh, that's funny. Chrissy Codes Nation. All right, here we go. For myself. I just fixed it, Techie. There we go. Free for one person. Try for free. So I think I fixed it. Not I'm too told. So when I was a young child, my mother didn't let me celebrate Halloween. So when I grew up, I had Halloween envy. And yeah, all I had to do, Techie, is delete the workspace, and then I got it back together. So click anywhere and just start typing. Okay, cool. Hit / to see all the types of contents you can add: headers, videos, subpages. Highlight any text and use the menu that pops up to style your writing however you like. See this weird non-thing menu to the left of this checkbox on hover. Oh, click and drag to move this line. Oh, okay. That's cool, JavaScript. I want to borrow that. Click the plus new page button at the bottom of your sidebar to add a new page. Click templates in your side. This is a toggle block. NT Dream, hello. Welcome on in. Thanks for the follow. Come on in. Welcome on in. Come on in. Welcome on. Oh, Bubbles. Maybe I should write a blog post about it. In their templates, they have a to-do option. To do. I basically use that. Iterate. To do. Task list? Other. I think it's task list. Product management. Roadmap. Oh, cool. I have a to-do list. I am thinking I want something that I can regurgitate my thoughts onto. A roadmap seems like, all right, let's try. So, but okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Sell couch? I don't want to sell my couch. I don't like any of these. Software. Habit tracker. What, Wolf? What did I do? What did I do? Docs. New mobile onboarding flow. Sharding Postgres instances. It's the one under support task list. Yeah, but I don't know if that's what I want. Audit. Ooh, this is nice. Use this template to track the status of day-to-day design tasks. Tasks are assigned to one or more people and can include priority and due date. Looking for a way to track tasks in context of a larger product mode wrap? Mode wrap is definitely, I don't know. When I heard you say it, all I could think about was Lord Farquaad from... Oh my. It's a sacrifice I am willing to make. That's the second time that you've referenced Shrek in 1 week, Wolf. I can quote the Lord Farquaad. Run, run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. You're a monster. I'm not the monster here. You are. You and that fairy tale trash poisoning my perfect world. So tell me, where are they? Eat me. So good. Not the buttons. Not my gumdrop buttons. Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man? The Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man. Who lives on Drury Lane? Well, she's married to the Muffin Man. The Muffin Man? The Muffin Man! All day. All day. All right, so how do I just click go? Use this template. Techie, I'm just following your directions, is all. That's it. I can do almost any scene in Shrek. Almost any. I feel like you've seen that movie once. I feel like... all right, cool. So the things that I need to do are generate a roadmap. So is the roadmap larger? So, okay, so I don't just want this task list, right? What's this reading list? These are all things that I can get rid of. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete this. I like a clean, I don't know what a quick note is, but it sounds useful. Reading list. No, I have a reading list elsewhere. Thank you very much. And I want a roadmap too. I want to take a look at that too. If you're trying to do more serious project management, I use something like Linear. I mean, techie, I don't know if I can. I don't know. Dear Darla. Oh, that's easy. That's the Little Rascals. I hate your stinking guts. You make me vomit. You're a scum between my toes. Love, Alf, Alpha. You know what, though? Do I have an OnlyFans? No. UW dog fan. It's not a bad idea, but no thank you. Not right now. Probably not ever. But I don't know. You know, it's used for other stuff. So maybe someday. I don't know. It's not really my thing right now, though. Do I have only feet? Pylane, come on. Don't encourage that. Ah, Bubbles! Thank you for the follow, Spooky Who. Spooky, Spooky Who, where are you? Spooky, Spooky Who, where are you? I don't know. Today is Sing Everybody's Name Day, I guess. Only Django? I like that. Wait, so is this the same thing? Hold on. Hold the phone. What's the difference between this and a task list? Isn't this just the same friggin' thing? Epics are large, overarching initiatives. So my app. Yeah, the cat cam broke. It has it went to the Hobbiton, and then it didn't get in there. Wasn't in the hole. What was I talking about? Oh, only feet? Django feet? Only Django? Oh, nice. You should go lay on your throne, kitty kitty. That's a nice one. I like that. Sorry, sweetie. There, I fixed it. Sauron! Oh, that was weird. It double teleported. We gotta fix this. It's glitchy. That's actually really nice. Yeah, I know. I saw that. Don't say anything, Bender. Although I am caught up, so it doesn't necessarily hurt. But spoilers are not allowed in my chat. So, spoilers. Okay. This is a roadmap and a task list. They look the same. Let's look at the difference. I didn't really gauge. I'm sorry. I don't really like this, right? Right now I'm trying to like figure out this is projects and what projects? All right, hold on. I need to look at this. And this says name. So this is a simpler list. Okay. Go back to linear. Techie, I hear you on the linear thing. If I'm trying to do more serious project management, I'd use something like linear. But you just told me to use Notion. And so I'm like, I'm just learning. What do I do? It has epics and sprints. Oh, I don't need epics and sprints. I mean, it's fine. Agile's fine if you have a team. It's fine, whatever. Everybody's different. Waiting on Disney to make Loki season 2. Oh yeah, I hear Loki's supposed to be really good. I haven't watched it, but I would. I'm waiting for it to be midnight so I can watch it. Yeah, absolutely. Same. I use the status and priority columns. That makes sense. So can I just check out linear for a second? All right, so today on stream, we are looking at product management tools. Linear. I wonder why that didn't work. Hover over the first item, you'll see an open button. Click that. Assign empty. Status. Not started. Priority. Low. Date created. Due date. Boy, that would be cool if I actually had due dates for these things. Title. Recommendation. Feature. Hold on, hold the phone. Okay. Techie, did you just explain? Did you just explain to me? Sorry. No, it's okay. It's totally fine. It's okay. Hold the phone. I know. It's okay. It's all right. It's okay. It's okay. I built a boomer bot. Is it called Techie Girl? No, wait, that didn't make sense. Oh, you built your boomer bot. Okay. The Aegis bot that Dota built to help. Is this the one that the extension? It stops them from looking at. Is that the Fox extension one? Specifically for Fox.com. It's only 50 lines of code. Dota, can I use it for my it looks up Zoomer words for people? I don't know what Zoomer is. I probably should know because I feel like I shouldn't. Well, I'm going to slide out now. Yeah, no. I don't know. Oh, crap. I'm sorry. We're going to fix that. It's not okay. Gen Z? So is Gen... I don't know what that's... I don't know. Sorry. I'll permit it again. But you don't have... I mean... What do you mean? Unrecognized command. Allow? I thought it was permit. I can't permit people now? By the way, can you guys like allow? Yeah, there's another one though. Now he is purge list. Posting a link. Purge. Ugh. All right. I'll figure it out. We'll get it later. I got whispers blocked too? Jeez. Dota, just throw it in. Are you in my Discord? Just throw it in my Discord. Throw it on the Discord. All right. We're going back to Techie Girl. Explaining to me. Okay, so I don't really want to talk about the You know you're my favorite. One of them. I can't say that in public. I'll tell you in private. what list you're on. 1, 2. Web Dev, thanks for the follow. Guys, 1 of 3. 1 of 17. Ugh, bubbles in the chat. Guys, bubbles are free. Just help me out. So I was gonna ask, so Dota, I'll look at your code later, but is it okay? Programming is fine. Help me is fine too, but help me is for me. But programming and stuff is fine. Vimic, what's up? It's nice to see you. Come on in. Welcome on in. Web Dev, what's up? Welcome on in. Bubbles! Guys and gals. Rohit, what's up? It's nice to see you. Hello. And these. It's this new thing called text file. Guys, I need a 5-second countdown. What happened? Ship your bubbles got interrupted. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, I'm back. Miguel, welcome on in. Thank you for the follow. Hi, hi. Hi, hi, hi. Oh, it didn't work. The text file overloaded. Yo, yeah, WTF, Bubbles. I know the next thing I want to do. The next thing I want to do is to... I gotta do something. I'm like crippled right now. And I'm sorry, I don't know if that's... I have crippling... My anxiety is a little bit crippling right now. It's not really... I don't actually... Thank you. So I'm not actually anxious right now. But what I feel is that I want to do something next. And because it doesn't have a clear pathway, I'm getting stuck. Thanks, Ship. And so let me pull up my wheel. The wheel. I gotta do new ones. I will too. Soon. Points. But so the idea, look at my sweats. Hanging out in my sweats. Free. Oh, what should we do? I don't want to do the splits. I think I'm gonna touch my toes. Is that on there? Touch toes. Oh, that's already on there. Oh, how about crunches? Let's do some crunches. I'm gonna take my things off, do some crunches. Let's do like 10 crunches. Right? The workout stream now. Everybody get down. Now. I'm so loud. Crunches or wait, what are the ones that crunches, I think. I'll do like, all right, ready? 1, 2, 3, ow, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, my form and my sweatpants. Baggiest sweatpants ever. 71. What is this? Oh, we're gonna fix everything. This weekend I'm gonna fix everything. I just can't. I can't. It's just so frustrating. Yeah, Techie, because it's 16 characters and we thought it was 16 words, which is dumb. I should have known it was 16 characters. Yeah, boss being fussy. Well, I can read everything. No. 70, 71. I know a bot who will tear you a new one. Nice. Sorry. Oh, it's double. So everything's broken, man. We're going to fix it. We're going to fix it this weekend. I'm just exhausted. I've been really tired this week, and that's not an excuse, but like, as we know, I missed stream on Tuesday. And that's because I'm burning the candle at the middle, and let's see, what should I do? I look so surprised. I added one plugin to OBS and now I feel accomplished. Dude, I feel you there. Yeah, I'm just like, there's burning candles everywhere. It's hot in here and the candles are just melting everywhere. So that's how I feel right now. 5 classes, teaching, grading, and starting grad research. I feel ya, Bender. I feel ya. McManus Chris. Miss McManus Chris. If I sing it, it'll be right. McManus Chris. McManus Chris. It's in Latin. McManus Chris. Chris. This is for me. For me. Okay, so the next thing that I want to do is on a save of a request, I want to send a notification to friends, which means I need a friends list. So that means I need a user-to-user join. So did I start doing this? Maybe I did. So now I think what I need to do is create an app, because that would be the next thing. Like if I was doing test-driven development, which I'm not because I suck. Okay, that's not fair. For all of those who are new to development, you don't suck. It's just you're learning, okay? I don't suck. I am just learning. So even though I want to do test-driven design, I can't. So the next thing I think of is the test that I would pass next is I am techie. I am. Test-driven, well, it's not test-driven development, it's test-driven design. So test-driven design is when you say, what is the next thing that I want my app to do? Or what is the next thing that I need to do? Whether that's the user or the system or whatever is there, like the next thing. And then you say, okay, I'm gonna write a test that forces my code to pass it. So let's say you want to send a notification. So you write a test called test send notification, something really simple. Oh, have fun. Enjoy. Happy Friday. We're having friends over and watching it tomorrow. So even when you're experienced, the nature of the industry is changing. So we'll always have to learn. That's true, but I would love to be experienced and learning. I'm getting there, right? Software development is the first thing I've ever learned where I felt like experience really made a difference. I think where I was like, no, this is where it matters. Maybe not the first thing, but one of the first things that I was like, okay, experience matters. You can learn how to write like JavaScript or whatever. Kundarsa, the cat looks. Kundarsa, hey. So did you see her move her ear? Same, Chrissy, haha, but I feel like the imposter syndrome just comes with the territory. Test-driven development is anti-pattern. Bite, seer. I don't know what that means. But yeah, anyway, it's like the inverse of what you wanted to do. And then you write the code that passes the test, and that drives your design. Hey, assassin. Zassassin. It's not Photoshop. Okay? She's on the throne. Good evening. Bye, Ship. Have a good night. Hey, by the way, everybody, shout out to Ship. I did when she came on, but Ship That Code is having a birthday on Monday, but having a birthday stream. Oh, I've got an API error. That's why everything's broken. That's cool. Hey guys, I've got a real error. That's fun. I just celebrated my 33rd on Sunday. Cool, Vendor. Cool, I feel that. Birthday friends. But then, so Ship That Code is going to, I know, debug session hype. I know. I can do this. I can go. But anyway, so they're gonna have a birthday on hopefully this doesn't have sound. It probably does. It doesn't. Okay, good. What's going on? I can't. All right, so here, this is, I mean, it's pretty, you just tap her name. Whatever. Anyway, so there's a birthday stream on Tuesday, and so we're gonna sing happy birthday. I'll probably sing happy birthday to you Tuesday night on my stream too, Ship, if you pop on, but I don't blame you if you don't, and you're just doing fun happy birthday stuff. So, bubbles in the chat for Ship and Bender's birthday. Bubbles in the chat! Happy birthday, Bubbles! Happy birthday, Bubbles! Oh, Rohit, you're leaving? It's because I can't get anything done. I understand. Bye! Bubbles in the chat! Bubbles in the chat all day, all night. I have a cold. No, it's fine. Okay, Rohit. You enjoy. Makes me so happy. They do interrupt when they're in the event sender. Mic manus Chris. Bye, Ship. Okay. The next thing. So test-driven design. So the next thing I would want to do is when, okay, and I've got this already. So when a request is saved, yeah, post save, send, create a user notification to the sender. But this is an instance created item. So here is where I would want the sender to be like the friends list of the users, which I was already talking about. So I wonder if I create a friends model. If I create a friends model now, and the friend model would just be like a user-to-user relationship with a unique ID. And the only thing I would have in it is I ordered extra Alfredo sauce. Ew. I mean, yum. Woman friendless me all the time. Oh, I'll friendless you, Bailing. Ew, I mean, delicious. Delicious. Hello. I'm gonna create a new app. Nobody's stopping me. It's just gonna happen. I gotta get my virtual environment up. I gotta go up first. Do I? Is it in here? It is in here. No, it's not in here. It is in here. It is in here. I don't even think I need to be in there. I just have to get to it. Techie girl, okay, you can go. See you later. Bye. Sleep well. I'm gonna go at noon. I'm kind of like all over the place anyway. Noon? Guys, my brain has melted. Bye, Josh. Noon? Midnight. The other red 12. The other white meat. What is going on? Yeah, but I'm broken. What's going on? Why can't this see scripts? I'm in Soapbox. I need to say source. I messed this up last time. Fine, I'll just do it. Activate. What is this song? I'm gonna change this song. Thanks. I'm like, I had to do it. Noon? You got caught up, Nana Banana. I know, guys. I know. I don't know what's going on with my face. I don't know what's going on. What's up? What's up? Wolf, what's up? What's up, Wolfred? Wolfred Step? It's time for what? I'm just unfocused. Should stay. I will only be in 11:30. I'm gonna go to bed at 12. It's fine. I get it. Look, I gotta get something done. I appreciate that you're like looking out for me, but I gotta get something done. Your way. I'll think of you every step of. Oh, for you? Oh, yeah, I didn't think. Well, you can go to bed. Away. And I will always. My first meeting is at noon tomorrow. You're vibing? All right, cool. I'll vibe too then. Eating dry ass noodles. Nice. All right, so I'm gonna pop in the Soapbox. For those of you who actually want to learn Django, I'm gonna start doing some now. Manage app high. Start app. I'm gonna call this friends. I'm not even sure I should, but that's okay. And oh, I should, because we're gonna have a friends add, we're gonna have a friends delete. So there absolutely should be a friends model. So now that I've done this, it feels a little bit better. We'll always love you. Butter. Bring me the butter, baby. Bring me the butter. I will always love you, you, my darling, you. Ragu. That's good. The best part of waking up is Folgers in your cup. Except not. I prefer like a nice latte. Or tea. Or Coca-Cola. I haven't seen it, Josh. Yeah, I know, Wolf. I just knew I couldn't hit the next notes. And I will always love you. I was a Starbucks person too. I just they just got really sweet. Like I think there's like a threshold that you get to and you just tip over the edge, and it was just like, I don't like this anymore. Sometimes I still get it, but like it's not very often. And I drink it, I'm like, oh, I'm disappointed. So then I realized spending $30 a day on stuff. Yeah, for real. For real. Okay. Let me take a peek at this quick, just so I know what I'm doing. I definitely want this. And I can use generic models in here. Why didn't that work? What the heck did I just copy? Okay. So then what I'm going to do is define class. So I want a class called friend. And then I'm going to put generic model in it, which I have to, I got to pass through. And look, if I do tab, look, it found it. Bitter, sweet. Caramel macchiato? Oh my God, we're latte friends. Sorry, everybody. I didn't mean to piss everybody off. That was an annoying voice. But nobody redeemed my voice, my deep voice or my baby voice. Never got into coffee. Yeah, I like tea. Twinsies, you and me, we're the same. A lot of pop. A lot of pop. Don't know where you from. You don't have to tell me. Pop-up video. So what would you do? Okay, so if I just wanted to create a friend relationship, like if I added you as a friend, Wolf, and you didn't accept it, that's a request. That would not get saved into the model, but the request gets saved into the model. So I need like a request, probably model as well, right? Like if you have an active request, it has to be saved somewhere. So yeah, okay. All right. So then I'm not usually a soda fiend bender, but I like a good Coca-Cola every once in a while, especially fountain. Fountain Coca-Cola is best Coca-Cola. So this is just going to be profile 1 equals foreign key to, but this doesn't work. So I got to think about this because like in the same way that you can have a many relationship for the items in the categories, this would also have this similar behavior to friends. So you would have a foreign key and it would be profile. And then, right. And then it would be null, null equals true, blank equals true. And then I would have on delete just said null. I mean, I probably should actually cascade this one. Because if someone deletes their profile, do you keep the friendship? I mean, Facebook does, but that's hella annoying. I guess it's just if you deactivate, which we don't have to talk about. So actually, I'm actually going to not allow this to be null, and I'm going to cascade this on delete because that makes sense to me. If someone deletes their profile, you should absolutely cascade it, at least for our purposes. I don't see a reason why not to. Maybe there is a reason, but for all my purposes, there is not. All right, and then profile 2, and I don't think this is a good idea. I don't think this is a good naming convention. So if anybody has an alternative naming convention, I'll take it. This is a good song? Thanks. Reasons. Or is Reasons a good song? Naming things is hard. Yeah, but I'm just asking for advice. I can think through it. I love semantics. It's like a favorite pastime of mine, telling people that they're wrong about the definition so that their argument doesn't make sense. When really, if I just gave in, their argument might make sense, but I don't give in because the definition matters. So let's think about this. If I was yeah, I think I'm just going to name this user and this friend, because you shouldn't be able to go both ways, right? I mean, at least that's the precise reason why I don't like semantics, actually. Yeah. No, that's okay. So I like definitions are very important. I think without definitions, without shared definitions, we have trouble with communication. And a lot of poor communication comes from disagreement on what the core of the argument is. So we disagree, Pai Ling, but that's okay. I'm down with it. I don't think we really disagree, though. And one of us is right, and it doesn't matter. We agree to disagree. That's all right with me. I don't think either of us. It's an opinion. All right, so then this is class friend, and then I need class friend request. I don't know why this is a requestion. I love the fact that I do that. Who's this? What's up? Oh, it's Wolf. Wolf, we'll put in some comments. Yeah, I'm having some trouble. Well, when I set up, here's the thing. When I even think about designing my app on stream, I get nervous. And so like, I just have to keep coding because I'm like, okay, even if this sucks, I still am not like revealing like all my like feature secrets, and it makes me scared. I don't want to do that on stream. Yeah, I know. You'll want users and a friend list that holds user ID of all their friends. The friend requests would ideally hold sender and receiver user IDs. Right, hold on. You'll want Byteseer. You'll want users and a friend list that holds the user IDs of all their friends. So I do have a user model. It's in profile. It's right here. User model. And it's expanded by profile. So you think the profile should have a friends list? I accept your encouragement. And I raise you. You're a very helpful encourager and teacher. Hi. Hey, Matt. What's up? What's yummy? Django? What? What did I do? I don't even know what I did. I was trying to understand Byteseers. Trying to out-encourage me? I out-encourage everybody, man. Everybody. So this has like the same... I gotta think about this. Because I don't think this has to be permanent. This is an interesting... I don't think I have to think about this too hard, though. Because... You know what? On delete cascade. All right. I'm feeling okay this. Do I do this for a living? actually, yeah. Yeah, that's hilarious. Yeah, I do. I do. I really, really do. But I do Laravel and PHP for a living. I don't do Django and Python. And I also do I'm a product manager. So the code that I do is like maybe like 10 to 15% of my job. I know, Piling. What? Alex Dos. 2014, thank you for the follow. CT Hackham, thanks for the follow. Welcome on in. Hey, what's up? When you realize you're more boss than you knew. Yeah, I know. Did you see those lights? Did you see those lights go like, oh yeah, no, I do this for a living. Hold the phone. Hold the frickin' phone, you guys. Don't you know? Chrissy didn't realize she did this for a living. What was that? 17 accents. Hold the phone. Hold the freaking phone. There we go. Sito Hackham. Hello to you too. E4 Ether, thank you for the follow. Welcome on in. Josh Ludman, thank you for the bubbles. Bubbles in the chat. Bubbles in the chat, my friends, my friends. Bubbles in the chat, my friends. How you doing, CTO? What's up? Their field is missing in your foreign keys. Related name. Is it because they're the same thing? I think you're right. I think I need to do... I don't know. Do you do Django? CTO Hackham? How you doing tonight? How you doing, Matt? How you doing? As you use the same profile as a class, you need to add related name. Okay. Okay. Related name equals... do I call it user profile? Okay, you guess. Well, how can I cheer you up? Would you like me to sing you a song? Should I do just a full user profile, or should I related name user is just fine? And I do have to do a related name for this as well. Well, I don't have to, but I bet I should. Frond. Yes, please. What would you like me to sing, Matt? I don't do, I do like Disney show tunes, any Jewel. I do some lullabies, if you would like. I should really just have a list. It's fine to add only related name equals user. Okay. Okay. How am I going to do this though, right? Isn't it important for thing? Like, won't it, explicit is better than implicit, right? Is this one of those instances where it's not really? It's okay to only use one, but let's use two just to be explicit, right? Why not? It can't hurt, and it's going to be easier to use for other people. Unless there's a no-no against it. Then I won't use it. Piling, I am learning. Okay. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, think you own the whole dang sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. There you go. I usually add it everywhere. Like, yes, like you did. Perfect. Awesome. Cool. Then I am being a Deb. Did she just use Zen of Python? I hope so. I hope I'm learning. Matt, I'm glad you like that. I'm always happy to sing to cheer people up. I sing because I'm happy. And I sing because I'm free. I'm just gonna have cone head. That's not good. How can I sing while coding? Do you see me coding? There's nothing happening here. Okay, so I've got a class friend request, and a save. And then I guess I want to. Can I? This is the first time. It's good fun. My favorite lullaby is Hushabye Mountain, so that one I'll do anytime. Okay, friends. So I'm trying to think of. I haven't done this yet. I don't have any. Is this because I want to define my functions elsewhere? This is really just models, right? Thanks, Josh. I probably should, right? I'm just trying to think of like whether or not I should. Yeah, I guess that's a good idea. Because it doesn't look like they put. Oh, and I also have to add my. Hold on, I gotta add my URLs. I gotta do all the things now. Not my views yet. But I need a URLs file. Probably not yet, but I'm gonna do it anyway. And then I need views, not yet. Not this one. I'm not gonna use this one. I always cheat. I cheat and I look at the old stuff because why not? Okay, let's look at another URLs file so that we don't suck. All right, we're gonna do this and then, but we're gonna change it, no big deal. Oh, I guess I do need a view. Yeah, I do need a view. I didn't think about it. Index request form, but I don't want that. I want the real developer these days, that or Stack Overflow. Yeah, I guess so. Do I enjoy doing this? Absolutely. I love this. I would wake up in the morning, code this all day, and just learn and do this all day, and then continue to stream Twitch at night. Absolutely, I love this. I would, yes, if I was independently wealthy, I would still do this. But that's because I really love the project that I'm working on. But even I just recently worked on a JavaScript project. It was pretty small, but I liked that too a lot. And it was small and I finished it, but it's just, I think it's really rewarding. I think there's just no end to how much you can learn as a developer. What will you put as a front end framework? CTO, I will use Jinja at first because it's part of the Django framework and I think I need to understand the whole Django framework. But I'll probably end up using, I think, either Svelte or Vue, because I already use Vue at my job, so I might use Vue, but I don't know it that well. Like, so probably not. I don't know Tailwind. I'll probably start with vanilla, honestly, and some Bootstrap. But I should learn Tailwind, I think. I know, Nana Banana, I would do a PhD too. Probably just one. I don't know if I could. I don't read very well. I'm not a bad reader. Like I can understand the words, but the focus that it takes me to read through peer reviewed journals is tough. Like I can get through some, but as soon as you get to the methods section, like like I understand it, but I like have to go back through and be like, okay, wait, what did they do? What was their sample size? Like, does this p-value make sense? Like, and so I feel like I sit with the method, and this is probably normal, right? The sit with the method section. And by the time I'm done with the method section, I was like, I can't read the discussion. I just don't care about it anymore. I don't care. What was the conclusion? What did they figure out? Because I don't even know if I agree with their analysis. I don't know how good their stats were because I like had to read it 15 times. I'm about to spend the next 4 to 6 months reading VR or software research, depending on which field I choose. Very cool, Bender. That's awesome. You are going to love it. You're gonna love it. Software research seems really cool. If I get a PhD, I would like it to be in either a social sciences field with software engineering where you study the well, what I'd like to do is I'd like to study the like optimal way to communicate. Do I work for a big enterprise? No, no, I don't. I don't work for a big enterprise. The crap. I want to look at a field that looks at hard software development versus like UI and how that message gets communicated across disciplines. I think that there are so many confusing things. Like apparently agile is like really interesting. Yeah, I like user experience and user interface design. But I think really it's the message. It's like what you want versus what you get and how you can develop a clear framework between those two without the technical aspects clouding it. Like, can you build something that says, can you build a questionnaire basically that says like, okay, these are the framework questions that you have to ask in order to complete a full requirements, element. I think that would be really interesting to me. And I want to study like the way different people respond to different language types. Yeah, like the tech spec. Yeah. Well, not necessarily that. Yeah, but even before that, like before the text. Yes, like the journey of the tech spec. Because like I think if I choose to go with software, one of the projects I'd have a chance to work on would be the new architecture that allows automated code generation based on architecture design that would allow engineers to make changes while the code is running and seamlessly change it to eliminate downtimes. Wow, except wouldn't you have to test in prod for that to happen? Like that's scary. Or is it like half anything? Thank you for the follow. Welcome on in. So like Copilot, maybe. Is that what Bender's talking about? You're just talking to Bender, Copilot? It seems like a Copilot thing, right? Except Copilot is different, right? Bender, you're talking about like are you talking about like a production? Yeah, welcome on in. Always, everybody is welcome until they're not. If you're good, if you're kind, all kind people are welcome. So it incorporates the automated code generation. Oh, cool. Very cool. Very cool. Very interesting. I like that. So I have to create a view, obviously, before I do anything else. Crap. Why don't you guys, why didn't you tell me I didn't have any views for my recommendations? Did I not write a view for recommendation last time? I feel like, oh no, I didn't. I wrote a view for my little baby app. What are we coding right now? I'm coding in Django, and I'm coding an app where you make recommendations to your friends, and they take them and they like them, and then next time they ask you for a recommendation, your rank is higher. Oh, see ya, Matt. How do I like Windows 11? It's fine. I'm not like, it's fine. How did you know I was on Windows 11? Is it because of the way it looks? I can't really tell. Does everything looks funky? Yeah. I like it. It's fine. Oh, no, that's okay. It's one of my favorite redeems. You can redeem by anytime you want. It's all right. I'm not like mad at it or whatever. I think the thing that makes me the most frustrated is the desire for Microsoft to link your Microsoft account to your desktop. I really think that there should be a comfortable delineation between your personal files and ones that you want to keep on the cloud. I also don't like OneDrive at all. I don't like that the default save is to OneDrive. I don't think that's useful. I should choose to want to put things on the cloud. Yeah, I hate OneDrive. I don't, I mean, on the whole, Microsoft is a little bit in your face, and I feel like they're just getting more and more in your face. I think I would be a Linux person too if I allowed myself time to get used to it. But right now, like the only real time I have to like work on coding is when I'm here, other than Laravel, which is at work. But even that is pretty tough. Yeah, people are still gonna do it, so Microsoft wins. It sucks. Yeah, it sucks. So like, when I have more time on my hands, I don't know what this is. I don't really need it. It's weird to not have a linter. Yeah, I know. What do you do as a product manager? So I just started, and I work on an internal product that our employees use to work with our clients, and it's fairly heavy algorithmically, and because it's a startup, it was built by quick developers, so it needs some smoothing out the rough edges. So it's my job to understand the user's needs and to compare that with what we deliver as a product and to combine those two things. I don't think that's true, Pailing. Actually, this time I don't. I think I'm overlapping jobs right now, and I'm really tired all the time. And yeah, I could just virtual machine it, but I like I'm just working too much. I barely like have the energy to stream, but I care about my project and you guys, so I'm here for it. So um I want to be here for it. So yeah, so that's what I do as a product manager, CTO. It's cool. It's fine. Um so what? Sounds like what? I need sleep? Is that what you're about to say? Because I definitely absolutely do. Oh, that more time is gonna come really quickly, actually. No, that's not true. So I stop my other job on October 7th. I'm leaving, and I will only have one full-time job. And when I leave that job, I will have more energy and time, and I will spend it on developing this and learning development. So absolutely, yes, I will have more time and I will use it for this and my master's class. But that's like, it's fine. Um yeah. I'm getting rid of some. Absolutely. I am going to cut soon, and I'm very excited. I'm very, very excited. Yeah, I'll mess with Linux. I already have a virtual machine for work that uses Homestead, which is Linux based. So I already kind of do some Linuxy stuff ish. I don't really know. Honestly, like it kind of feels the same and looks the same. So I'm not really sure what's going on there. Oh, nice. Right. So let's put this in here. Once you do more Linux, you will never come back to Windows. That's what I hear. All right, so we're going to make a recommendation model. It's not going to look like this. It will look different. But I'm just going to use this. So post request, that's the right, whiskey request returns a JSON response. If request.method equals post form request form. So I don't want this to be here. I want a recommendation form. Man, basically the whole thing I did before with the categories and stuff, it felt like I was doing it here, but I didn't make a recommendation form, which is bizarre to me. It's like hurting my brain. How did I get into coding? So that's a really good question. So a long, long time ago, I can still remember. So I worked initially with Excel and SPSS. SPSS is a statistics. It's not really a coding anything. But then I switched to R, which is a programming language for statistics specifically. And oh, good, yeah, but it's not really programming. I mean, it's a UI and you do statistics on a spreadsheet, pretty much. It's like unfancy Excel. And then after I finished, or after I decided like, okay, SPS is cool, but I'd rather do R, and I wanted to do like maps and visualizations and things like that. So I branched out into R. Oh, Lord fuck us. I'm sorry. SPS seemed hard. I guess it was hard, but it more was frustrating and pain in terms of output. You know, Lord Focus, I don't know if you don't like R because you don't like the packages in R, or you don't like R because it's just limited to statistics, which it's not. I mean, it does a lot of other things. And it is like a fairly I mean, it's fine. I don't mind it. Are you sure? Yeah, I think so. So anyway, so I coded in R and then moved into Python a little bit when I was first learning machine learning. And so because I just read that Python was faster and more robust, and the machine learning packages that were in Python were just better, faster. And then Rust. And then after I learned Python for machine learning specifically, and it feels wrong at entry level, people who come from science seem to get along rather well with it. Yeah, I think it's like, it's not as, it's not for software. I mean, that's not how it was built. You could use it for software, but like, I would use Python. And the transition between R and Python is actually really natural, I think. So anyway, I kept coding, then I stopped coding for a long time. And I just did like VBA and Excel. And every time like I got into like a VBA code, I'm like, man, this could be so much cooler if I could just do this in like a website or whatever, or a web page. And then after that, I took a computer information systems master's. And when I did that, I took a basics fundamentals of software development class, and I loved it. And I was like, this is so amazing. This is fun. It allows you to build and create. It's very rewarding. And then, no, that's okay. I'm just writing forms. No worries. Who likes VBA? Okay, I mean, come on, you guys. Like, people who don't know how to code. I mean, even people who do know how to code like VBA. I mean, it's useful. It's a pain because it buries all the classes and objects and methods, so it makes it very difficult to work with. But I mean, Microsoft has good documentation. It's fine. I don't hate VBA. It's all object oriented. So, whatever. I've seen companies being managed entirely on top of massive Excel file with more VBA on top than is safe for your mental health to imagine. Yeah, absolutely. Like, I think people who can do VBA and test it for errors and keep it classy, that's fine. That's cool. That's their thing, you know? If you don't know about coding and that's your start, so what? Absolutely. I agree, Piling. So yeah, so I was in VBA for a while. And now I worked with my professor. So this is professor who loved software dev in my computer information systems program. And he was so passionate and so good at teaching. And it was a really hard class. And I went, this is so hard and so fun and so challenging that I want to do this all the time. It's like a good mix of like, hey, let's do something hard. Okay, this is terrible. I hate this. I hate this. Okay, I'm getting this. Okay, I understand it. Boom. And then you're like, oh, let's try this other hard thing. And then you get, and then your skill set builds like this. And I just love it because like I think so many other places so many other fields you're not building in that way and as clearly. And I think because there's such a clear process of learning and a clear success step ladder. When you know something, you know it, and you also can look back and go, that was hard and I accomplished that, and that's cool. And maybe there are people who are like, no, software development is easy. I don't know any of those people. But like, I think the fact that it's always challenging is what gives me the desire to do it. No, don't get me wrong. That stuff is a nightmare. VBA is for quick script kind tasks in documents. At the enterprise level, please use proper software. Yeah, but I've seen some really bad proper software at the enterprise level that is like built in Java. And I don't know, don't get me wrong, like Java's cool, whatever, people have their thing, or .NET. And it's like, I mean, if you don't test your work, if you don't plan or design your work, it's going to be bad, whether it's VBA or Django or I don't know, CDK. Oh, yes, .NET is still very common. Matt DA, sorry, a timeout we'll fix that later. It just times out for people yelling more than 16 characters, so sorry about that. Sigh. It's all right. Next time you'll be able to use it. I'm going to fix a lot of my stuff next week. So anyway, let's pour a form in here. Pour a form. Pour a form, pour a form, pour a form, pour a form. It's weird. Is Wolf, are you working? Maybe he's not here. It's all right. It's okay, but it's weird to not have him around. Logo? What's this? That's funny. Our communication. Okay, let's look at, I want my model, but I want it in a second tab. Okay. I don't want my friend model. I want my recommendation model in a second tab. There we go. Logo is a programming language. Oh, okay, cool. I've never heard of it. How do you write in it? All large-scale VBA stuff ends up super dodgy sooner or later. That's a fair point. It's not a language made to scale like that, so you cannot realistically expect to maintain it indefinitely. Yeah, I mean, as long as you're not, I mean, if you're doing, you're saying, yeah, at that scale, I agree. If you're doing like a lot of little tasks and it's, I mean, essentially if it's stateless, which is kind of funny, it's not really stateless because Excel holds the state, but all the functions don't, right? So I guess it's not. But if you do just use really simple functions and you map them to each other, it's fine. It's fine. It's Excel yuck. Okay, guys. You can abuse object-oriented design. That's what you're looking at in the enterprise space when you see some bad spaghetti code. Spaghetti code. Yeah, definitely VBA should be small scale templates. You shouldn't really be transporting large lists of employee files with Excel. Excel is awful, but it's a necessary evil because of how big it is. Curse you, Microsoft! Not really a debate. I think everybody sort of agrees. I hate enterprise Java software. Same. I didn't develop professionally. Nana Banana, celebrate! Thanks for keeping me on task, Nana. And thanks for like sticking around. Bubbles! You guys know how to cheer me up. All right, what I'm looking for is request. I don't need the request. I do need to list the request, but I don't need it as part of the form. It's got to come from somewhere else. So the first item is going to be the name of the thing that you're sending, the link to, recommendations, but this isn't, I basically want to save this. This is interesting. So I want to save this to URL list. So I just want I can just call it URL, recommendation URL, I guess. And then I'll tie it to the URL list model. Thank you. Hold on, where we at? Oh, Excite. You mean that database software? Oh, night. What's wrong? Oh, Pylang, good night. Have a wonderful night. I'm so sorry. We won't stay talking VBA. I was just doing some Python. I was just trying to finish. But yeah, have a wonderful night. Thanks for hanging out. I've never seen you leave before. It's crazy. We usually leave at the same time. But that's awesome, Pylang. Get some sleep. I'll see you again. Kevin Ramirez, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Oh, Lotus is another one. Oh, Bubbles in the chat. I gotta go to bed anyway soon. But Bubbles! Bubbles in the chat to fix. All right, recommendation URL. This should be way longer. 2084. Help text. And I move my help text. What? Hey, Vimic, what's up? Is it your recommendation? I feel like you keep coming in and redeeming stuff, and I say, hey, Vimic, what's up every time. I'm like, hey, what's up? What's up? What are you recommending? What are you recommending? And then this is going to be, actually, I'm going to say name of the item. Name you are recommending. And then my help test for this is going to be link to recommendation. And this has to be able to be blank. Required equals false. What's the mug for? Bits and stuff. Bits and emojis and things like that. It's funny when you first start Twitch, you like think like, oh yeah, bits are a thing, because you see people get bits all the time, and you're like, oh no, this is pretty rare. But yeah, so like setup is for like for just stuff that people want to share now. And I'm also I love tea. I'm a tea drinker, which you'll see a lot more in the winter. Joel Spolsky, an absolute god among programmers and co-founder of Stack Overflow, was the original Excel team in '92. He wrote a blog post in the 2000s explaining what they did to overtake Lotus 1-2-3. Oh, Lotus is like the old version of Excel. Our communication, were you meaning that I look it up? I should probably. Oh, thanks, Tinky Winkle. Tinky Winky. Welcome on in. I appreciate it. Testing rare bits. Yeah. Like, I mean, it's good. It's just not expected. And like when I started, I was like, by the way, thank you for the 1 bit. Lotus was the competition. Oh, okay. That's good to know. Yeah. So I was just saying, like, it's not expected. I appreciate. So I stream every Tuesday and Thursday, and I was streaming on Sundays for a while, but I'm just really burned out. And so I'm trying not to, oh, Wolf, have a good night. Sleep well. Mirror face. Whoa, thank you for the 100 bits. I appreciate it. Oh, that was awesome. Thanks so much. I love this testing out my theory. You guys are proving me wrong. I'm so sorry. Thank you, Mirror Face. I appreciate it. That's awesome. But yeah, I appreciate the value that you all give me just by lurking and hanging out and chatting and subbing and, sharing bits and whatever. It's all great. It's just a great experience. So Matt DA, I stream Tuesdays and Thursdays, and every once in a while I'll stream on Sunday. But like I said, I'm kind of burned out. Not from Twitch. I could stream Twitch like all day. Sorry. And that's a New Girl reference. And and be okay. By the way, Wolf, I just want to say goodnight, because I know you said goodnight. Oh, okay, good. Yeah, enjoy it. And so, but I hope that in the winter when I'm only working one job, that I can stream more, because I would love to do this more. I absolutely love my app, and I love all of you, and I'm feeling great about it all. So yeah, but for now, just Tuesdays and Thursdays. And sometimes I do a code review of people in the chat. So if you ever have code that you want to submit that you want reviewed by the chat, or like if you think you can teach me something with your code, which most people can because I'm quite a novice, please submit it on the Discord, and I'd love to look at it and share it with the stream. So anyway, and that's usually the first like Tuesday or Thursday of the month. Depends. I usually announce it ahead of time. But I'm glad to be back. I took a break from Twitch for the weekend and Tuesday, and it was really good for me. It was really good. So yeah, okay. So what we're doing next is just finishing up this recommendation thing. So this is required equals false, and then we need the user. The user just should come in naturally. So the only thing is the request and the name. Eventually, I'd like to add a photograph, but I'm not going to worry about it right now. What's at the end of that? Nothing. So the form is just the name and the recommendation URL. So that's all you send for now. Maybe a description. Let's put a description in here. Because like you want to tell people why you think they'd like it, right? So it's going to be forms, character field, max length. How long is a good max length for a description? Equals, hey, I don't know React. Dr. Zaysu, Dr. Zay USPS. I don't know React. I'm going to learn a JavaScript framework after I learn more JavaScript. That was good fun, wasn't it? So I'm learning JavaScript slowly. I know bits and pieces of it. It is not always a peaceful channel. Sometimes I sing a bunch and it's very energetic. But tonight my songs have been chill. And so yeah, so sometimes I think after 12 o'clock, it becomes like a more chill, relaxed stream because I want to wind down and I get more focused after midnight. So yeah. So, but thanks for saying that. I appreciate it. I love having chill, relaxed people here, but I like having excitable people here too. So, max length and then the help text. And my help text will be, help me help you. Why would your friend like this? I don't know. It's interesting. I gotta think about that. And then I need to add a description in my recommendation. And I'm going to put it actually above here. And I'm going to try to migrate this. And it's probably going to have a lot of errors, so it won't last forever. But so did I say it right, though? Dr. Zai USPS. No, I didn't. I didn't even say it a little bit right. Zaiuspus. Dr. Zaiuspus. Is that your real name? Like, imagine if you were a doctor and that was your real name. It could be. I'm so sorry. Romer FV, thank you for the follow. Welcome on in. Welcome to the stream. Come on in. Come on in. It's a party going on. A little chill party where no one is partying. TM. Sorry, my lights usually go back. Or they stay blue or whatever, but today they're broken. My API is a little bit broken. Thanks, Vimic. Description, models.carfields. I'm going to say max length equals, I think it should be like 200. I have to go because I have some non-enterprise Java stuff to code. Minecraft mod, very, very cool. And I'm having a lot of fun with it, but I can be here and productive at the same time. Have fun coding snakes. Lord Focus, thank you. More bubbles, Vimic. All the bubbles. The bubbles, 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 bubbles. All right, we're gonna throw this up. Let's see if we Python. Let's see if we make migration. If it gets all cranky at me. Also, this is a form, so. Thanks for the follow, Rogue Soul. Welcome. Welcome on in. Bubbles in the chat. Just for funsies. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles. All day bubbles. Bubbles, bubbles everywhere, but not a drop to drink. I think that's Moby Dick and... Or maybe a poem of the Mariner, Song of the Ancient Mariner. I think it's Song of the Ancient Mariner. Hold on. Water, water everywhere. I think it's song. Oh, it's The Rhyme of the Ancient Mariner. Yeah, that's right. By Samuel Taylor Coleridge. But it's also Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. I didn't do anything with my task list. You guys, what is going on? You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. Alrighty, let's try to make migration. Python manage.py make migration. We'll see what happens. It's gonna have a ton of errors. Unknown command make migration. Do I mean make migrations? Sure, why not? Provide a one-off default now. Quit and manually define a default value in Python. Select Django migrations args. It is impossible to add a nullable field user to request without specifying a default. This is because the database needs something. Evil Furrier, thank you for the follow. Thank you for the folio. Low. I tried. I don't know what happened there. Come on in. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream in the chat, everybody. Everybody rocks. All right, so it looks like I've got a model in my friends module, a non-nullable field user. It is impossible to add a non-nullable field user to a request without specifying a default. Provide a one-off default now. Sure, let's just do that. Wolf can yell at me later. Please enter a default value as valid Python. As valid Python? Is that one not? The date time and Django. All right, I'll figure this out later. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just store it. Git status, it's gonna mess. I'm just gonna commit it all and then take it out later. Do I? Let's see. Authenticate. I've got some migrations in here that I don't want to pull in. You can delete migration folders and migrate for easy migrations. That makes sense. Delete migration folders and migrate for easy migration. So like rather than do git commit all of these, I can just like say, hey, get rid of these migration folders. And then next time I'll make a migration and then it'll go through the models. But will it go through in the same order? Like I feel like I don't want to delete migrations after I've made them because I want to remember them. Oh, wait, by the way, is there a date set for the next? Oh, community. Yeah, I can set it now. So community critiques code is October. Let's do October 4th. Does that sound good, Josh? If you're not here, let's do October 6th. I can do either. It's up to you. I love your oi. Oi! Oi! I think I'm gonna git stash this and I will commit it later. And I'll pop it later. Now it's stashed. It doesn't have all those, I don't have to worry about my commit messages. I'll try to have something cool to show off. You will, Josh. I think I should do a smaller project. Or you know what? Maybe I should just design this one. Once I design this one a little bit better, I'll be able to know what the next step is. I'm going to finish reading 2 scoops of Django. Okay, everybody. So I think I'm going to wrap up the stream tonight. So when you pressed 1, it was asking you to pass in default values for existing row in database, depending on the type you specified. You passed it in that Python syntax value. When I pressed 1, it was asking me to pass in default values for an existing row in the database. Oh, I'm silly. So I shouldn't have typed 1. I should have done Oh, so just say, so default. Can I do it this way? Quit and manually, but isn't that, 1 is the way, but do I type 1? If I type 1, and then I enter a default value. So if I just do default, it's not defined. I'm just not like I would do this, but like I don't want to mess it up and I don't understand it entirely. So yeah, I'm gonna go count sheep too, Josh. You have a good night though. I'll see you soon. Bye. Pass an empty one now. Like with quotes or without quotes, because you never know. One? Oh. I did it without quotes. Is that a bad thing? I think it's probably okay. It seemed to work, right? Yeah, cool. So then we can do Python manage.py migrate. Ha. Yeah, okay, this is all MySQL. It's good to go. So then there's like a Python manage.py and then there's a I can test the system with there's like a keyword that I can't think of right now. It's not clear. It's like what is it? Not shell. It's if I want to look at my database, I'll just check it, but it's like status or I can't think of it, but I'll check if something. Hey kitty. Hey sweetie. Kitty came over to me. I don't know, Rogue Soul. I was using it last time. I could probably pop through here a bit. No, it doesn't keep my history. Headed out to have a good night, Vimic. I'm having a just like IntelliJ. Bye, Vimic. Can I see your cat? Kitty cat. Kitty cat. Well, I'll check it out later. I don't mind. There's like one that just checks the status of like the whole system and it's like I don't know what it is, but I need to sleep, so I don't really mind. Right now. I can chat for a little while though. I'm happy to hang out and just chat. How old are you? I don't answer that question. That is the one I don't answer. not because I care, but you know, like this is one of those things that like I don't want floating in the world, I guess. You can guess though. Most people guess 27 or 28. That's fine. And I will neither approve nor deny. So it's kind of silly. Like guessing is just like interesting. But I've heard a lot of 28 a lot recently. 35, nice, cool. Yeah. So my wrinkles. 28, 35. Pretty much all the same. I don't think you really change till you're 40. What's this? Coding Vibe. I can stick around for a little bit. What's up? Hey, Coding Vibe. I was just wrapping up. Coding Vibe raid. So exciting. Feberg 06. Feberg. Ironberg. Is that what it is? Welcome on in, guys. What is going on, guys and gals? And Mia. Hey, Mia, what's up? How are you doing, Mia? What is up, you guys? How is the stream, Coding Vibe? What were you working on? Ugh, my stuff's broken. My stuff is broken. Coding Vibe, as you know, I took Tuesday off, so I was a little like kind of distracted with my stream today. Hey, how are you? Are you gonna get some sleep now? Are you gonna do Sleepy Devs? Mattia, thank you for the sub. Welcome to the Smack. Welcome to the Smack. It's nice to have you. It was good. I'm making a bot that posts on Twitter. Bubbles in the chat for Mattia, everybody. And for Coding Vibe. It was good. I'm making a bot that posts on Twitter with an animated GIF automatically when I go live. Oh, that's cool. I like that. That's clever. That's really clever. Bubbles! I was just gonna go, but I can stick around for Mia and Ironberg. Feeberg. I'm sure you say your name Feeberg, but like I can't help but think about like iron when I look at your name. I don't know why. It's just like Ironberg, iceberg or something. I like Ironberg. Hey, Theld, what's up? What's going on? How are you guys doing? Ironberg is a sick name. Yeah, no. Feeberg. I love any name that ends in berg. Bergerb. Berg. I love it. It's just fun to say. Berg. Gerb. Anything with a G and a B. Yeah, so we were just hanging out, doing some Django. I want to finish my book. No, what? Thank you for being kind. That's all I've got. I don't have anything in me. Sometimes I get cranky. There's sort of like a tip of the Ironberg when I start to get cranky, and that's after a lot of missed sleep. It is a significant amount of missed sleep. Like if I stay up till 4 a.m. 3 or 4 nights in a row, that's when I'm like really not nice. Or if you live around me, if you live near me or around me, I get a little bit cranky. Sleep is important. Sleepy devs. Sleep's so important. Sleep advocacy is very important to me because I remember it was around last year when COVID, when we were in lockdown, I got regular sleep and I was like, I just went, this is like a drug. This is like a focused drug. I'm at work. I can't sleep for 6 more hours. Oh, you're at work. You can't sleep for 6 more hours. For some reason, that went wonky in my brain. And I was like, yeah, that stinks. I'm sorry. Yeah, I would sleep all day. I can sleep all day. I can fall asleep like that. Does anybody else? I just hit my head on the pillow and it's like out, done. Mia, is Coding Vibe taking care of himself? I hope so. I hope sleepy devs are taking care of themselves. Are you taking care of yourself, Mia? I hope so. Sorry. Don't rat me out. Oh, I'm sorry. We've been timing out people for no reason. My bot's broken. I'm going to work on it this weekend. I'm out as soon as I hit the pillow. It just takes me forever to actually get to the pillow. I'm with you, Theld. Same thing. Big yawn. Oh no, Ironberg. I'm sorry, that's it. Forever. Feeberg, I'm so sorry. Yawn. Did I yawn? I don't even know when it happens anymore. Bubbles! Yawns are contagious. Yawns make the world go round. I'm down with Ironberg. That's awesome. Good. It takes me like half an hour to 2 hours. Oh, thanks, Matt. It takes me half an hour to 2 hours to get to sleep at times. Yeah, I think so. There are times when I'm backwards, and it does take me a long time to get to sleep, but it's very rare. Oh, there it is. Who yawned? New trick I'm trying. Put in headphones so I can listen to music while heading to bed. Seems to make it easier to head that direction. So my trick is I listen to Ratatouille. Like I'll listen to the movie, and like I know the whole thing, so I listen to that, and then oh no, I'm sorry, you got hits with ads is now what it's saying. Hit with ads. The answer is he cackled. It's all good. I can't speak. I got nothing. Yeah, so I am going to bed soon, Coding Vibe. Do you want to lead the raid since you raided me and you're still chilling? Go to bed, sleepy dev. Oh my god, Mia Moore. Mia Moore. That is a new channel point. Go to bed, sleepy dev. I love that. I'm going to make a channel point redeem for that. Yeah, you sleep well too, Mattier. But Cody Vibe, you wanna lead the raid? Lead the raid. Lead charge. Charge. You guys, if you haven't checked out Coding Vibe, really great stream. Got the coolest vibe ever. It's like very old school and it just brings you back in the ways that nostalgia never could. Why am I editing stream info? This is how tired I am. It was between you and Techie Girl. Oh, Techie's on? That's why she left. Is she here? Techie Girl. Techie Girl! Yeah, she's on. Is she doing software-y stuff? It looks like it. It looks like it. All right, everybody. So we're going to go raid Techie Girl, who is my friend. She's my friend. We're friends. I don't know what's going on. I'm going to throw her up on the screen, though, so I can talk immediately to her. Because sometimes when you raid, it doesn't work. So, all right, everybody, going over to Techie. Ah! Shh! Techie, shh. Shh. Sorry, she's loud. All right, everybody, thank you for the lurks, for the subs, for the bits, for the chats, for the suggestions, for the arguments about software dev, for the opinions, for the non-opinions, for the thank you. All of that. Ironberg, see you. Bye, everybody. So much love. Thank you so much. Bye, Ironberg. Have a good day. Thanks, everybody. Bye.